Are you tired of spending countless hours writing features? Are your features lacking substance or value? Join us for an exclusive look at how ProductManagerX optimizes the feature creation process. We at NerdLogic.AI can help. Customer collaboration. Understanding and channeling customer feedback into actionable insights is akin to solving a complex puzzle. Market research. Timely market research is essential for staying ahead in a rapidly evolving business environment. Cost of delay. The longer a feature or product takes to launch, the more potential revenue is forfeited, making cost of delay calculations critical. Data entry in Jira. Manual entry of data of project management tools like Jira can be painstaking. Valuable hours are spent in administrative tasks instead of strategic planning. Download ProductManagerX and see how it simplifies tasks like defining benefit hypotheses, use case scenarios, acceptance criteria, leading and lagging indicators, and more, all while keeping your company's values and vision at the forefront. So don't wait, get the app today. Get 10 users for only $49.95 a month. You can reach us at our website www.NerdLogic.AI. For quick access to the app, you can visit the Atlassian Marketplace link to try it for free. Don't waste time and start accelerating your product management lifecycle today.